Alright guys, welcome to another tutorial. Let's quickly see how we can achieve this simple flyer on pixellab right now guys. It look very simple though, but it look professional. So let's quickly see how we can achieve it right now guys on pixellab with our smartphone. Let's go into it. First thing, you need to hide this, and then I keep this contact information so that I will not stress myself. Let me go to my gallery and then let's import image. So firstly, we are importing the ice cream so that we can work on the background with the ice cream. So what we are doing right now is we're going to this color, and then we make sure our color is in gradient, and then come to this plus side, drag this in up here, and we're turning this to center. Should be on this top one, yeah. And then let's work on the first one. So let's select the color. So we're using this color, so you have to yeah, we're using this particular color. Click on OK, and then let's see what we got. So yeah, so this is what we got right now. So you click on this second one, which is this, drag it in, go to your color, and then we're dragging it to white. We are just putting it to white color. Yeah, and then this is what we got right now guys. So let me bring this here, and then this is what we got right now guys. So it look very nice. I love it. So we need to reduce the size of this, reduce it, and then come to our relative position, and then make sure it's centralized. So let's lock it. So after we lock it, we just quickly bring our background. Yeah, so this is the background we use. So you drag it here, drag it to make sure it folds the blank, drag it again, and then so take it to back, and then firstly let's work on the hue color. Yeah, so this is the hue color we put in, and then minus the opacity, to something like uh, something 14. Yeah, and then after this, what we need to do is to go to our text, and then let's write, let's say sweet, and then let's make sure everything was turned to capital letter. So talking about the font I use on this design, I don't know if there any possibility I can send the link so that you guys can download it, because I don't know. Yeah, so let me check it. So this is the name. I will make sure I'll send you the name so that you guys can try as much as possible to get it. Okay, so you click, after you have put it, you click on it, increase the size a little bit, and then you can turn it to any, you can turn the color to any color. I use black color, and then what we have to do is long press on it and then drag it down here. Alright, so I think the ice cream is kind of too much up, so we need to drag it a little bit down. Yeah, and then drag this a little bit up, copy it, and then let's write ice cream, right? And so make sure everything done to capital letter 2. Reduce the size of this, reduce the size, increase the size, sorry, we adjust everything. So I will make sure this one is well centralized, and also this one too is well centralized. Drag it up here, increase the size of this a little bit. I'll still increase the size again. Yeah, something like this, and then long press on it, drag it down here. So we make sure we set everything very well. Yeah, yeah guys, so this is good, this is great, and then we need to make sure we lock everything here. uh, After we have locked everything, so let's go to our plus bar and then click on shape, increase the radius to 100%, and then hold this, drag it up here. Do you understand? Yeah, bring it down here, then scroll up, so come to gradient, and then this is the black color. You can use any color though. Yeah, click on OK, and then let's write our text. So we're writing order. Don't no, turn it to capital letter, drag it down here. Yeah, turn the color to a gradient color we're using. Reduce the size a little bit. Yeah, drag it here. Yeah, so I think that's perfect. So let's bring another shape again. Not done yet. Alright, so I've already removed the background of this shape, this custom shape. So I just got to work on it. I don't want to waste a lot of time. Yeah, so you drag it here. We're turning the color to the same color, which is black color. Gradient black color. Yeah, so you put it here. After that, you write your text. So we're writing 50% off, right? So I think we have to increase the size and then drag it so that we get a lot of space. So let's increase the size of this, reduce the size, drag it here. Yeah, and then bring it back later. Turn the color to white color as well. Yeah, so the font I use for this, you can use any color, but make sure it's kind of big. So I think I used something like Montserrat on this. Yeah, Montserrat. No, I don't think it's Montserrat. Let me check. Yeah, I use something like this. So let me increase the size. And then go to your text and then quickly write off. So on this particular one, we're reducing the size, you understand? So we're reducing the size. Yeah, and then we're going to spacing. And then let's space it a little bit. Yeah. So we're turning the color to white color as well. So let's drag it down. Come to relative position. Increase the size a little bit, drag it down here. So let's increase the size again, to reduce the size, sorry. And then yeah, you position it very well. You need to be careful on how you position it. That one matters too. Okay, so after that, you come to my numbers, like the numbers already added. So I don't want to waste a lot of time. So I've added the number there already. So let me adjust this shape to make sure it's well centralized. Yeah, this particular one too. Yeah, so everything was perfect. Yeah, let me see this. Is it well centralized? So and so we need to check them one by one to make sure everything was well centralized. It's very important. But for the sake of this one is looking somehow, we need to drag it here, like do a little bit of selfishness here, and then it give us what we're looking for. So let me click on this and then increase the size up a little bit here, down here, yeah. And then let me bring another effect, guy. So and this one I need to scroll. Yeah, so this is it. So you go to your, to remove the background, go to your erase color, click on erase color, drag the tolerance to something 28. It's okay. Yeah, so we're turning the color to black color. For the sake we reduce the tolerance, it's not working, so we need to increase it in, yeah, we need to increase it to 70, and then it give us what we're looking for. So you come to 3D rotate, drag this particular one down, this is, which is y axis. Reduce the size, guys. Reduce the size. Reduce the size again. Drag this thing, arrow here, and then boom, guys, I think we're good to go. So let's share it to our Lightroom. Sorry, the design looks simple, but the procedures may take a lot of time. So I, on behalf of myself and my pixellab, I apologize for that, guys. Alright, so after you're here, click on edit, come to light. So we're increasing the exposure to 10, and then plus 10, and then increase the contrast a little bit. The white too shall increase it, and then the black, give the black its own color, minus the black, and then increase the shadow to plus 4. Come to effect, increase the clarity to 19, texture it plus 4, then the sharpening, increase the sharpening to to plus 53. Okay, so after that we need to give every color details here. So you come to color, come to mix color, yeah, increase the saturation of red, yeah, increase the saturation of your orange, come to yellow, increase the saturation to you see the color are giving us what we're looking. So the green one, you need to make sure it come out very well, so increase the saturation to, we're restoring their color. So this is how you do, gradually, don't do it, don't overdo it, yeah, something like this, yeah. So you scroll up and then click on saturation to plus 4, and then guys, we're good to go. So let me show you before and after. See, before and then after, it popped the design very well. So guys, I think we can stop here, because A is the ending of what we design on pixellab, and then we take it to our Lightroom here to make it, to increase the sharpening and then the saturation and the lighting. So I hope you guys can replicate this. It looks very simple. I know you guys can do it even more better than this. See you on next tutorial. So let me show you how you can save it. Just save it here.